This is the iRobot Match 705 vacuum. This is a really great upgrade. We've been using iRobot Roomba vacuums for years. This one is just phenomenal. We're very pleased with it. All of the other ones had some type of flaws here or there. Overall, we're very happy with it, but they never performed 100%. This thing performs 150%. It just does an awesome job. You can see here, it's got a larger camera on the front right here. It just could see everything. The other ones would also always end up hitting like the base trim and things like that, and just like taking some of the paint off after repeated use. But this just does a great job. It doesn't really touch many things. It just goes around everything really good, and it just works seamlessly. Doesn't really come in contact with anything where it gets stuck like the older ones did. And this base right here where it just backs up to it, it no longer has to be like lifted on there where it doesn't come off track or anything like that. This thing is just, it's a really great upgrade. So if you've got an older Roomba and you're looking to upgrade it, you absolutely want to check this out. Highly recommend it. Works just like the other ones. It syncs up to the app really quick, and it just gets going. You could import your older maps, make new maps. You could send it to each room. This has a really lot of features. This one just does the vacuuming. It doesn't do the mopping. We're just interested in the vacuum purpose for it. But overall, highly recommend it. It's a really great upgrade. Or if you're looking to get a new Roomba robot vacuum, this is a really good pick.